In this module, you will learn to derive the formula for surface area and volume of a sphere. A sphere is a three-dimensional figure made up of points that are equidistant from a given point. It is an object which is round in shape. It does not have a straight edge or a vertex. The surface of a sphere is uniform and smooth. The center of a sphere is a point which is equidistant from all the points on a sphere. The distance between the center and any point on the surface of the sphere is called the radius of a sphere. The radius is denoted by the letter r. A line passing through the center and joining two points on a sphere is called the diameter of the sphere. The diameter is equal to twice the radius. It is denoted by the letter d. The surface area of a sphere is the total exposed area of the sphere. If we paint the sphere, then the whole painted area of the sphere represents the surface area. An example that will help to easily visualize the surface area is an orange. If you peel off the skin of an orange, the area of the skin represents the surface area of the orange. The surface area of a sphere can be calculated by using the formula 4 pi r squared, where r is the radius of the sphere. You can observe that the surface area is equivalent to the sum of the areas of four circles having equal radii r. The space occupied by the sphere in space is the volume of the sphere. Now, we'll perform an activity to understand this. A red ball and a blue ball are taken of different size. Here are two containers of the same size filled with water to the brim. Both the balls are immersed completely in the water. As we can see, the water overflows. On measuring the quantity of water overflowed in the two measuring jars, we find that the quantity of water overflowed due to the red ball is exactly half of the quantity of water overflowed due to the blue ball. The displaced water is the volume of the balls immersed in the water. Thus, the volume of the red ball is half the volume of the blue ball. The mathematical formula to calculate the volume of a sphere is 4 divided by 3 pi r cubed, where r is the radius of the sphere. If we cut a sphere exactly in two halves, then each part is called a hemisphere. A hemisphere has two surfaces, a flat circular surface, which is called the base, and a curved surface. The total surface area of a hemisphere is the sum of the areas of the curved surface and the flat circular surface. The curved surface area of a hemisphere is exactly half of the surface area of the sphere. That is 2 pi r squared. The flat surface is a circle. Thus, the area of the flat surface is pi r squared. Therefore, the total surface area of a hemisphere is 3 pi r squared. You can observe that the surface area is equivalent to the sum of the areas of 3 circles of equal radii r. Since the hemisphere is exactly half of the sphere, it follows directly that the volume is half the volume of the sphere, that is, 2/3 pi r cubed. In this module, you learnt that a sphere is a three-dimensional figure made up of points that are equidistant from a given point. The formula for the surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. The formula for the volume of a sphere is 4 divided by 3 pi r cubed. The formula for the curved surface area of a hemisphere is 2 pi r squared. The formula for the total surface area of a hemisphere is 3 pi r squared. The formula for the volume of a hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cubed.